Water. It's good for your body, your life, and your environment. Kangen water is believed to have the power to reduce oxidation. LeveLuk series is the water generator that makes this revolutionary Kangen water. LeveLuk SD501, designed to be easy to use. LeveLuk Deluxe 2, the second model of this popular series. And LeveLuk Junior 2, with an impressive, beautiful form. Kangen water produced from the LeveLuk series is well-balanced, healthy water, containing elements such as hydrogen ions, small clusters, and minerals. Kangen water makes your everyday life dwell in beauty, secure knowing that your environment is sanitary, healthy, and serene. Continuous ionized electrolysis water generator LeveLuk series can provide you with Kangen water, acidic water, clean water, strong Kangen water, and strong acidic water with only one touch. You can use 5 types and 7 levels of electrolyzed water, depending on your choice. This is made possible by a high-powered electrolytic cell. An ample amount of electrolyzed water will be powerfully produced. Also, the built-in electrolysis enhancer tank can produce strong acidic water and strong Kangen water steadily and continuously. LeveLuk series is designed to be easy to use. You can select the type of water you need with just one touch. The voice prompts will inform you of the water being produced. And also there will be warning alarms or voices in certain situations.
Increase flow.